ॐ नमो अस्तु सर्पेभ्यो ये के च पृथिवीमनो ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि तेभ्यः सर्पेभ्यो नमः ये दोरोचने दिवो ये वा सूर्यस्य रश्मिषु येषामप्सु सदकृतन्तेभ्यः सर्पेभ्यो नमः या इषवो यातु धानाणाम् ये वा वनस्पतिगुं रणो ये वा वटेषु शेदते तेभ्यः सर्पेभ्यो नमः इदगुं सर्पेभ्यो हविरस्तु जुष्टम् आश्रेषा येषामनुयन्ति चेतः ये अन्तरिक्षं पृथिवीं क्षियन्ति तेन सर्पासोऽहममागमिष्टाः ये रोचने सूर्यस्यापि सर्पाः ये दिवं देवीमनुसञ्चरन्ति येषामाश्रेषा अनुयन्ति कामम् तेभ्यः सर्पेभ्यो मधुमज्जुहोमि निगृह्वैरसमायुतैः कालैर्हरित्वमापन्नैः इन्द्रायाहि सहस्रयुक् अग्निर्विभ्राष्टिवसनः वायुश्वेतसिकदृकः संवत्सरो विषुवर्णैः नित्यास्तेऽनुचरास्तव सुब्रह्मण्योगुं 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 सहस्रशीर्षाय विद्महे विष्णुतल्पाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्पः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Sarpa Suktam is from Rigveda Samhita Khila Kanda 7.56. It consists of the Khila containing 8 verses and is concluded by the Sarpa Mantra from Taittiriya Samhita 4.2.8. Salutations to the serpents which are on the earth and in the atmosphere. Salutations to these serpents which are in the heavenly sky, under the sun rays and in the waters. Salutations to those serpents that are used as weapons in the hands of asuras, those living among the trees and those that are lying in the wells. May this offering please the serpents, serpents which inhabit the Asresha nakshatra and which are under the protection of the sun god, serpents which follow the devatas in the heaven. May they have command over our desires and thoughts, and may they protect us. I make this offering of honey to the serpents. O Indra, the one who is thousand-eyed and ruler of devatas, please manifest before me along with gods superior to time, and with Agni, which is fire, in shining garments, Vayu, which is air, in white sands, and with all other devatas, and bless me. Peace, peace, peace.